Hello and welcome to this video on using Google Docs. So here is a HyperDoc that I found on Twitter, but I'd like to use it in my classroom. But there's a few things I'd like to do to change it so that it's available for me in the classroom. So I found the document, but I don't have editing access to it. So what I need to do to make this something that is fully editable for me is I'm going to click on File, Make a Copy, and then I'm going to change that copy of to be my example copy, whatever I'd like to name it. And I click OK. And what it will do is it'll now make a copy of that entire document, but make it fully editable. So now I can do anything I'd like with this document and change it any way that I would like to use it. Now, another thing with this document is it's in another language, and I'd like to translate this over to English so I can use this. I'm going to go over to Tools. I'm going to click on Translate Document. I'm going to choose English as my language, and I'm going to click Translate. Now the entire document will be translated over into English and is still fully editable for me. It keeps my original, so I still have that one that's over on this tab on the left, but it is now opened again on the right as a translated document in English. A few other things to showcase on Google Docs that you may or may not be aware of. Under Tools as well, you do have accessibility settings. So if you have a student that needs screen reader support or needs to magnify their screen, they can turn those on and get easier accessibility to this document. The other thing that's really kind of cool is your activity dashboard. And what this does is if you want to see who has looked at your document and who has checked it out and who has spent some time on it, you can see the viewers. Once you've opened this document up to somebody, you can see all the viewers to your document. You can see when that document has been looked at. And then if there's been any comments, you can see some trends there as well. This is great if you want to see which students have actually taken a look at your document or at least opened it. You'll be able to have that information under your activity dashboard. So I found that under Tools, but it also is located next to your chat box. It has that little trend line with the arrow. That's where you can also grab it from there as well. So I hope that these little shortcuts with Google Docs kind of helps you out. If you have any questions, please reach out.